Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to live chat with Temu. Temu does not currently offer live chat functionality with the customer service representative, but you can still reach out to the customer service bot in order to initiate live chat for any issue or query. So in order to do that, go ahead and open a web browser and sign into temu.com. After you are signed into the account, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the speech bubble icon right next to order an account. Now select chat with Temu. This will now bring up the customer service bot where you can easily contact to the customer service about any issues or queries. Type in your query in the text box and send it, and you will be able to receive help from the customer service bot. So that is how you will be able to initiate live chat with Temu. If you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.